Have you ever told someone, I am coming, when actually you are leaving? You are not alone. But in standard English, that's not correct. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to look at some common English mistakes most Nigerians make. And I'm going to show you the correct and natural expressions to use instead. So the topic on the board is common Nigerian English mistakes. The first one, there are up to 7. But I would like you to stick around for 6 and 7 because they are most common among all of them. So the first one is, I am coming when you are leaving. It's not correct to say I am coming when actually you're leaving and to come back later. No. Standard English, when you say I am coming, means you are moving towards someone, not you are leaving. So when you are leaving and you intend to come back, don't say I am coming. Say I'll be right back. I'll be back. I'm stepping out for a moment. Take it again. Don't say I am coming when you are leaving. Say I'll be right back. I'll be back. I'm stepping out for a moment. Okay? In a sentence, you can say something like, Mommy, I'll be right back. Let me go and buy bread. Then the second one is do fast. It's wrong. It's just a direct translation from a local language. Instead of saying do fast, say hurry up or be quick. Instead of do fast, say hurry up or be quick. You can use it in a sentence. In a sentence, you can say something like this. Hurry up, we are getting late for school. Hurry up, we are getting late for school. Okay? The third one is, I want to off my phone. It's a common language or expression. People say it often, Now, instead of saying, and if you look at it, this off here is supposed to be a preposition. But in this sentence, it is used as a verb. So instead of saying, I want to off my phone, it's good to say, I want to turn off my phone. When device or light is involved, you say turn off or turn on, switch on or switch off. So you don't say I want to off my phone, you say I want to turn off my phone. In a sentence, you can say something like this. The movie is about to start. I want to turn off my phone. The next one is, he is my senior. This is not totally wrong in some contexts, but we usually misuse it. For example, instead of saying he is my senior, when you mean the person is older than you, why not say he is older than me? And in a formal context or formal situation, you can say he is my senior colleague. So you can say that he is older than me in the class, but we are classmates. Okay? The person is older than you, not your senior. Okay? The next one is, I am having headache. This is wrong because this is a condition or a state, not an action. So you don't say I am having, you say I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a stomach ache. So you don't say I'm having headache, you say I have a headache. In a sentence, you can say something like this. I can't go to school today. I have a headache. Okay? Then borrow me your book is wrong in standard English. Remember, you want someone to give you something that will return later. You don't say borrow me. You say lend me your book. Lend me your book. Okay? Then the next one is, my leg is paining me. Pain is not used in a progressive tense or continuous tense. Instead of saying my leg is paining me, you say my leg hurts. My leg aches. Then if this is your stomach, my stomach aches. My stomach hurts. If it's the entire body that you are feeling pain, you can say my body hurts, my whole body aches. So it's wrong to say my leg is paining me, my leg hurts, or my leg aches. If you have found value, or if you have learned something from this, please click like, subscribe, and also share to your friends so that they too will learn and then make your comments. Now let's recap. Don't say I am coming when you are leaving. Say I will be right back. Don't say do fast. Say hurry up or be quick. Don't say I want to off my phone. Say I want to turn off my phone. Don't say he's my senior. Say he is older than me. Don't say I'm having headache. Say I have a headache. Don't say borrow me your book. Say lend me your book. And in fact, this borrow me your book or lend me your book is rampant, common in school. You will ask a student, where is your notebook? The student will tell you, I borrowed John my book and he did not come to school. You did not borrow. John borrowed, but you lent John. So don't say borrow me your book. Say lend me your book. Don't say my leg is paining me. Say my leg aches or my leg hurts. Thank you very much.